Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see, these are the pieces of wood that I'm going to be using in this DIY today. And if you watch keenly, I've already marked the points that I'm going to be cutting them, because I have to cut them into sizes. So watch the video till the end so that you fully understand all the steps followed. And guys, before I forget, I want to thank and appreciate all our new subscribers, because we have gotten a lot of subscribers lately, and I want to appreciate them for this continued support. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us in our videos. Anyway, we are now on the road to 5k subscribers, and we do really appreciate your continued support. Now guys, continue supporting us by liking our videos, commenting on them, and sharing with your friends and family, so that YouTube can recommend it to more and more people, so that we get a lot more views and more subscribers, which motivates us to make more videos like this. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our videos, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Back to the video, I started by cutting off the upper part of the headboard because it was curved and I needed a straight headboard. That's why I did make the frame, the new frame, and attach it to the headboard. After that, I did use the plywoods as you have seen in the video, and I have this foam. I also have this maroon fabric that I'm going to be using, and also I'm going to be using a contact glue, staple gun, and other materials that we'll see as the video goes by. Yeah, so that is basically what you need if you want to try something like this. And for this lower part of the bed, I'm going to be using the foam and also the fabric to cover it. That is the same procedure or steps that I'm going to be using to cover the sideboards, but in most of my videos I usually don't show these steps because this is something straightforward, something that you can just do it without watching many videos like this to do it, because you just cover it and nothing more complicated. And after that, I think you now know why I usually don't show it. And after I was done covering it, also the headboard and the sideboards. For the headboard, don't get confused, I'm talking about these boards on the sides that you see. I'm going to be attaching them to the side of the headboard using nails, but in the final reveal I'm sure you will see how it will be looking. Yeah, so keep staying in tune, and if you like this video till this far, don't forget to like it, comment and sharing. Yeah, and for the back of the headboard, I normally use this black material, fabric material. We call it lining, and that is what we normally cover the back of the headboard with. So now let's wait for the final reveal.